Hello friends, very well welcome to all of you again. Today we're going to discuss on DYBCS chapter PHP functions and strings. We are too much familiar with the concept of function. We know that function is the independent name block of code that is defined to perform specific task. Function can be called from another part of the program and may or may not return a value. Code inside the function are not executed until function is called. We know that there are two types of functions. There is built-in function and second one is that user-defined function. Built-in means these are the predefined functions that are perform a wide range of operation, and PHP is too much in terms of built-in function. And second type, that is user defined function. These are the functions which are defined by the user. Functions are useful because they are contribute to rapid, reliable and error reducing coding. Function can be called many times in a page, but it is compiled only once. Remember that function called many times but it compiled only one time, as a function is written only once and reviewers need to write the codes for the same task every time it requires. It reduces the number of bugs. We have to see now the defining and calling function. A function is created by giving it some name like a Diwali scheme given in example, and when we want to call the function, you have to just write the name of function followed by the pair of parentheses. Here the simple example of function is given how to define the function and how to call it. Here function keyword and some function name like write message, echo is to print something, and here write message is call is used for to call the function outside the function body. Then in a function there are two types. uh, Here the variable parameters, that is arguments passed by value. To add more functionality to a function, you can send them in information. A parameter is just like a variable and is specified after the function name inside the parenthesis. If more than parameter is passed, then they are separated by commas. For example given here, function name is add numbers, parameters are passed more than one, that is integer a, integer b. It is called just by giving its name and pass the values like 5 comma 6. Next one is default parameters. When function can have no or any number of default parameters in it, then argument passed by reference. To allow function to modify its arguments, they must be passed by reference. To an argument to a function always passed by reference, there is a prefix and ampersand. Pass by reference means to pass the address to argument name in the function definition given in example add numbers, in its parenthesis integer ampersand parameter $a as given in example. Next point is missing parameters. As given in here, we can pass number of arguments to the function. If we do not pass any value to the parameter remains unset and warning is displayed for each them. Then returning value. PHP function allow returning value. Function can only return one thing, either that is integer, float, array, string and object. Here the given example is given. Here declare strict types equal to 1. Strict requirement is given by followed by declaring strict types equal to 1. Here function is take add numbers, parameters are passed $a and b. returning here a plus b. Here numbers are add. Here 5 comma 5 days taken. Since tricks is enabled and 5 days not in integer, error will be shown. Now after the function, our next point is that string. We know that string is a sequence of characters. That is, a string is a series of letters, symbols, characters and numbers, or a combination of all tied together in a single or double quote. Strings are not used in arithmetic. Example is given here, hello or hello to. There are two types of string. There is three types of string here in PHP: single quoted, double quoted and here documents. In single quoted, string is enclosed with a single quote. In double quoted, string is enclosed in double quotation mark. And in here documents, there is here doc and now doc given. There are printing functions in PHP. Echo, this command is used to display output on web browser, like echo hello world, it will display the hello world. Next function is print. It is also like the echo. It is also used to display text or variable hellos on our web browser as shown in example print hello world. Then next one is printf. This requires a string argument known as format control string, as like C. It also accepts additional arguments of different types. The format control string contains instructions as how to display the additional arguments as given in example. Suppose $number equal to 9, $string equals to Beijing. Printf, there are %u million bicycles in %s. Number $string, here it will be display number and string. Next one is yes printf. This formats given string into our chosen form. Then print underscore r. This function is used to display all values of array with their respective keys. It is useful for debugging. It prints the content of array objects and file as shown in example. And last one is that variable dump. This command outputs the information including variable uh, type and about the given variable as shown in our example. Here suppose $a equal to 32, variable dump is taken, it will give output. Next one, in $b equal to hello world is taken. Then next example, there is float one, $c equal to 32.5. In next example, there is array is passed. In this way, in PHP, there are the function and string. I hope that in this small scale video, you have understand the concept of function and strings. Thank you so much.